Alright guys, welcome. It is February the 8th. It is approximately 3:15 in the morning. I'm just kind of analyzing the stock here. This is my for tomorrow, and I'm going to show you why. So the stock, as you can see, is HZNM, and basically it's breaking new highs. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and put my resistance levels in here. I did it because there's a tick here. You got the high here. Previous highs here. It's a real good solid lock there at 8 cents. Alright, and then you got the tops of this candle here. And these ticks back here. And that's right at 10 cents, which is always, or I'm sorry, $1. Which is always a solid support or resistance level. Alright, and I can also shoot. Well, never mind. There's a tick here. Never mind. So that is your previous high right there. So those are your levels. And then the highest high is up here. At $1.70. This was all the way back in 2014. So this goes to show you this is the history of this. This is 5 years worth of data. Okay, each one of these ticks, each one of these candles or ticks represents a day. Okay, so you can see way back here it spiked up to $1.70. It went from 64 cents to $1.70 in a day. And then it closed down here at the dollar, and that was it. And since then it hasn't really done anything. It hit a new low down here at 5 cents. It's come up from 5 cents to 75 cents. Went down to 40 cents. And now it's breaking. It's breaking or this 80 cents. It broke that 80 cents level. It actually gapped up into the 90s. Broke through $1, no problem. So now, and then yesterday, it gapped up again. It came down and tested the $1, and then went and finished at 13. So, all that being said, you can also see the increased volume down here. You can see the history really has hardly any volume. You're talking 5, 10, 20,000 shares, and then it goes to 400,000, 515,000, and yesterday 525,000. So it's increasing in volume. It's breaking new highs, and it's a clear chart. I mean, this 170 gives you an idea. It gives something for traders to look toward. There's another stock that I was looking at that's pretty much the same deal here, except it doesn't have anything above it. It's all-time highs, which are usually really good breakouts, but you have no idea what they're going to go to. So that's always something to think about. That's one of the considerations I took on weighing this stock, because I do like the fact that you have this spike here for something to look at. So other than that, it's new highs. So I do expect this stock to go from the $1.13 level up into the 160s. I mean, it might have some problem at 150 just because that's a solid line. Solid support resistance level. Just because mentally, how some people think, they'll say, "Oh, I'll buy this at $1 and get out at $1.50." Yeah, they just set some of these even numbers in their head. It's like $1. $1 has always been one of those hard support, resistance levels. Anyways, for tomorrow, this is the stock I'm going to watch for. I like how this actually closed out the day. I'll go to intraday and I'll show you that as well. So now this is just yesterday. What you're seeing. Each one of these candles represent a minute of time. So what I would do, I'm going to put a line here where these highs are, these highs, see how it all matches up. And you can see all the way over here toward the end of the day, it tried to go up and break that, came down, and ticked up and try to hit it again, bounced off, came down and tested this, $1.08, $1.09 range. And then at the last 2 minutes of the day, it opened up at 113, came down, tested, and then back at 113. So I've really loved this stock here, just because of that. It finished the day, it broke through on the day, so that is a good look as well. So there's a lot of stuff I like about this, and also it is a pump and dump. I do like that, but in a way you have to know what you're dealing with. For example, let me see if I have this light up. Alright, so this is stockpromoters.com. You can see over here it says the most promoted penny stocks this week, last 5 trading days. And here's all the tickers on the left side, and it tells you how many newsletters on the right side. And you can see right here, HZNM, 2 newsletters. So we're in HZNM, and 2 newsletters went out, which just caused this volume. Now, that's good because you got volume. This is a pump. You can ride this for a day or two. You know what I mean? But usually I like to get in on these on the second day, third day. But some of these will continue to go. I mean, they'll just run and run, especially if they're breaking new highs like this one. Clean cut chart patterns. I mean, they can really run. So, but you have to also understand they can really crash really hard, and they're bound to. A week from now, this stock will probably be back down to 60 cents or so. It'll probably lose all of its gains, if not more. So you have to keep that in mind. So anyways, this is this is my number 1 pick for February 8th. Market opens up, and we'll see what happens. I'll try to take a video of live recording this if I do get in. If everything looks solid tomorrow, and hopefully it doesn't take off too harshly, where I can actually get in at a decent price. Don't miss this one. So we'll see. We'll see if I can get in this and get it from 113 up to 150. I'll see what it's looking like there. If it breaks through that, then 170, and who knows, I might even get greedy on this and see if it breaks 170 and goes to like $2. Just try to keep moving my stops up. So I'm gonna have a small position, so I shouldn't have any problem getting out. So anyways, happy trading, you guys. Hopefully you learned something from this, and hopefully I'll have another video tomorrow showing my profits. Take care.